All right, I just got this Akicon, I guess it's called, 36-inch, 600 CFM range hood. That says Noxus on the box. I don't know. I'm not going to be putting this in anytime soon, so I just wanted to open it, make sure it didn't get beat up in shipping. So we'll just unbox it real quick. Not very in depth, but just a damage check. Lately, I've been having good luck. Well, for the most part, I'm having good luck. Things I get shipped to the house not showing up damage. Alright. So, we got some old school foam shipping stuff. We'll beat up there, but whatever. All that matters is that this thing showed up undamaged. So right in here we got the vent. You hook up the ductwork to the hood. Pretty standard. Kind of rubber grommet. I'm assuming there's like a one-way valve here somewhere. We'll see. I don't know. But some kind of soft rubber gasket. Now, over here, instructions. A box that's open or smushed a little, no big deal. Ah, there's your flapper, little one-way flapper. There's my gut. Screws. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, the lights, the LEDs. Cool. They look, I mean, the only way to tell for sure is hook them up and plug it in and such, but they look nice. Now, let's get to this guy. Not gonna be taking it out by the white wrapper. By this stuff, it'll rip, so don't try it. This is what is this? It's like a charcoal filter. That's cool. That'll probably keep grease and stuff from getting sucked into the pipe, your vent pipe, exhaust pipe, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, I'm not a professional. I don't use the proper names, but look at that baby. Hold on, let's push this back. Look at that. Oh, it's got lights already in it. So I guess these are backup. I personally love when stuff like that happens, when they send you a backup. Because honestly, you never know, these companies go out of business, you're screwed if the lights go out. So at least you got extras. All right, these come off pretty easily. Oh, there's white protective covering. They want you to pull that off. Hopefully it comes off easily. We're not going to do that now, but outside of that, this is beautiful chrome. I don't see any dents or damage. Just getting my... Oh, I was out in the cold on the porch, so you're going to see my fingerprints and condensation a little bit. More than you would, but nothing seems to be rattling in here. And, oh, check that out. Regular old plug. All right, stand by a sec. All right, well, because it has a regular old plug, I don't have to do anything fancy to test it. I don't see any dents. This is going to be concealed in a cabinet. It doesn't come with a shroud. I'm sure you could get a shroud from the company. Lights work. Looks like they only have one brightness. Low for the fan. It's on. I can't even hear it. Medium. You hear it a little bit. Here's high. Whoa. It is cranking out the air in the back. And it showed up. It works. It's lovely for the price. I love this thing. Very cool. Very straightforward and nice. We like it.